Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy tuna dish. First, ensure you have 1 can of tuna, thoroughly drained, along with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next, chop about 1/4 cup of crisp celery. Finally, gather your salt and pepper, ready to season to your preference. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's combine everything. Take your well-drained tuna and place it into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise directly to the tuna. Then, gently fold in the chopped celery. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they are evenly distributed and the tuna is coated. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Next, it's time to season your tuna dish to perfection. Start by adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together, then taste a small amount. Feel free to adjust the salt and pepper as needed. For an extra zing, a dash of fresh lemon juice can really brighten the flavors. This step is all about personal preference. Your easy tuna dish is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it in many ways. Try it on 2 slices of your favorite toasted bread for a classic sandwich. For a lighter option, scoop it onto crisp lettuce leaves. It also makes a fantastic topping for about 4 crackers. Remember to store any remaining tuna in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.